Welcome back to Smart Money Monday. Today we're talking about home renovation. And in our first segment like this, we focused on kitchens and bathrooms. Today we're going to cover the rest of it. Kristen Konishi from Bank of Hawaii joins us. Aloha, Kristen.
Aloha, Steve.
So Kristen, what key home improvement areas are we focusing on today?
Yeah, the main ones are going to be electrical rewiring, roofing, replacing windows, and window coverings.
Let's start with electrical.
Sure. So, Steve, as you know, a lot of homes in Hawaii are actually a bit older, which means the wiring may not be able to accommodate the electrical demands of today's appliances and technology. And from a safety standpoint, the wiring may also not be up to code, which could be a fire hazard.
Okay, what about the cost? Is that going to be shocking?
Good one, Steve.
Thanks.
On average, the cost to update electrical home wiring in a home can range anywhere from $2,000 to more than $9,000, and it really depends on the size of the home. So, of course, the actual prices are going to depend on accessibility to the wiring, the electrician's hourly rates, the cost of panels, wires, and other materials.
But obviously that's a must, having wiring that is safe and up to code.
For sure, and so is really having a roof over your head that doesn't leak.
Yeah, so what are the costs for a new roof these days?
So the cost to replace a roof in Hawaii can be anywhere from $5,000 to more than $30,000, depending on the size of your roof and the quality of the shingles used. For example, an asphalt roof will generally cost less than a metal one, but may not last as long.
You mentioned windows, and obviously there are many different kinds of windows, all at different price ranges, right?
That's exactly right, Steve. So just like any other part of home improvement, there's going to be a wide range of windows and every kind of material and price point, from picture windows to sliding glass doors and double hung windows.
Okay, so how do you decide?
Well, of course, your architect or your contractor can help you, but so can your local home improvement store. And many of them will even provide quotes at no additional costs.
Yeah, but can't replacing old windows actually save you money?
Definitely, Steve. So homes that upgrade their windows with modern, energy efficient double pane glass can actually save on their energy bills.
Yeah, and it looks good too, right?
For sure, yes. And while we're talking about windows and looks, let's not overlook window coverings.
Window coverings? They're considered home improvement?
Well, many real estate experts actually believe that window coverings can add value and curb appeal to a home. And modern window coverings can actually keep the sun out and the cool in, which could potentially save you money on your electric bill every month.
You've got us covered for this. Kristen Konishi from Bank of Hawaii, thanks for your time.
Mahalo, Steve.
Mahalo, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.